Okay, old Bosch coils are on there, and we're going to start it up and see how it behaves. Just buckled the seatbelt because I hate that noise. Now the shaking started. As soon as the air pump shut off, the shaking started. Does that mean it's a vacuum leak? Give it some throttle. You can look at the door. Shaking has gone away. Right now, there's no shaking in the car. At all. The steering wheel is not shaking. Let's shut the door. So safe to assume it's not the coils. This is a startup with the new coils, Euro Parts NGK boots, and Beck and Arnley wires. Lastly, here's what it's like when I put it in gear. Reverse. You can hear the shaking. Neutral. Drive. So when you give it gas, it hesitates just a little, but then it smooths out. Let's just go for a quick drive. Show you guys what I'm talking about. Not reverse, we're neutral. So far smooth, no issues. hard acceleration from a stop. I know I blew past that stop sign. This road so that I can floor it and show you what happens. So right now the gas pedal is depressed about halfway. Okay. So hard acceleration from a stop. 3/4 of the way with gas. Shift. Shift. Mind you, the car has never been this loud. When I first got it, I got it running on all its factory stuff. It's perfectly fine. I have treated the fuel. I put STP 5-in-1 cleaner, and I'm running 93 octane from Mobil gas, full tank. Let me know your thoughts.